guys, and welcome back to another video here on Best of Both Worlds. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Pride of America. The Pride of America is owned by Norwegian Cruise Line. It comes into a gross tonnage of 80,439. And the ship was built in two places, in Germany and in Mississippi. So pretty interesting history, but the hull was built in Germany, but they moved it across the Atlantic, and they finished it up in Mississippi, and it entered service in July of 2005. And the interesting thing about this ship is that it only sails in Hawaii. Now, since it's U.S. registered, there's an act called the Jones Act. So basically, a ship that is non-U.S. registered, say Royal Caribbean, all the ships are registered in the Bahamas. You can't go from direct, say from New York to Galveston. It's all part of Jones Act. Non-U.S. flag ships can go from U.S. port to U.S. port. Now, however, Pride of America is registered in the United States, so it can skip by the Jones Act, meaning that it can basically sail anywhere they want to in America. But as of right now, the ship is only sailing in Hawaii. The Pride of America sails on inner island cruises, focusing on Hawaiian Islands. And the facilities on board include the Capitol Atrium, a 8-deck high lobby said to be inspired by the Capitol Building and White House in Washington, D.C., a large casino featuring gaming tables and slot machines, a conservatory with tropical landscaped gardens, the Soho Art Gallery for displaying art and holding art auctions, and for accommodations, about 75% of all cabins on board the Pride of America have ocean view rooms. Ocean view cabins have either a window or porthole. Depending on location, twin-size beds can be converted into a full queen size. They're also family-friendly, interconnecting cabins. Some can sleep up to 6, and some cabins have 3 to 4 upper beds. Some suites have king-size beds, but most cabins have twin-size beds, convertible to a queen-size bed. Butler and concierge service is provided for suite-grade accommodations. A number of cabins are also wheelchair accessible cabins. As a matter of fact, 21 cabins on board the ship are wheelchair accessible. And for dining on Norwegian Cruise Lines, they have free style dining, which means you get to choose several restaurants and casual eateries, and you can wear whatever you want. If you want to wear a t-shirt, go ahead. If you want to wear a suit, like it's formal night, and go ahead. There is no set formal attire and no set dining time on Norwegian. Main restaurants include the Skyline restaurant with decor inspired by the skyscrapers of the 1930s, and the Liberty Dining Room. The extra cost Lazy J Texas Steakhouse is a contemporary steakhouse with Texas decor. Artwork including Houston Space Center, Texas Rangers, and the Dallas Cowboys football team. East Beach West is an intimate 32-seat public room / Asian fusion restaurant with sushi bar and a grill room for 2 teppanyaki tables. Jefferson's Bistro, seating 104, has an a la carte menu of classic and French cuisine. The decor is inspired by Thomas Jefferson's home. Cadillac Diner has indoor and outdoor seating featuring Cadillac-shaped seats and a video jukebox. It's open for fast food, including burgers and hot dogs, fish and chips, and pot pies. Mondrio Casagua is a Brazilian steakhouse for meat delivered on a skillet by Gargo custom staff. Kangi's Steakhouse is a classic on Norwegian. Is for prime American steaks and grilled seafood. A cover charge applies to both venues and reservations are required. Aloha Cafe / Kids Cafe is an indoor and outdoor self-serve buffet-style eatery with a Hawaiian theme. A section for children has countertops at just the right height, as well as chairs and tables shrunk to a children-friendly size. Other eateries include Lacuna for Italian-style eats, Gold Rush Saloon, pub for karaoke and dartboards, plus a cigar bar inspired by Hawaii's Pink Palace Hotel on Hawaii Beach. Outdoor eateries and pub and drinking places include the Key West Bar and Grill. For entertainment, the Hollywood Theater seats 840 and stages large-scale production and local Hawaiian shows. The 590-seat Mardi Gras Cabaret Lounge, located above the main show lounge, features cabaret and late-night comedy. For spa and fitness, the Meridian Bar the Meridian Spa is decorated with artifacts from New Mexico, and some fitness classes are free while others are an extra charge. So thank you guys so much for watching the review about the American Harmony. Sorry, the Pride of America. So please hit that like button and subscribe, and let me know how you liked the video, and also follow me on my Instagram for Best of Both Worlds. Link will be down in the description. Well, so thank you guys so much for and I'll see you guys on the next one. And until then, see you real soon.